Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this ECOVACS DEEBOT cleaning solution. I'm going to show you how to add it to a robot vacuum cleaner, ECOVACS DEEBOT. So it says it's compatible with the X2 Combo, X2 Omni, T20, T20 Omni, the T10, and the T10 Omni series. So this is a really big bottle of cleaning solution. Now you're going to use the cap for measuring. It says you're going to add 2 capfuls to the clean water tank on an ECOVACS robot vacuum cleaner. Now it does say it's been tested, safe, effective stain and dirt removal on a wide range of hardwood floors, including wood, laminate, vinyl, linoleum, stone. Fill the clean water tank with water and fill to the line. Add the correct amount of cleaning solution. And it's got 2 lidfuls. And here's what it contains. So it does have a seal up here. We're going to have to break the seal. All right, then we're going to use the cap to pour the correct amount out. So we're going to put 2 capfuls in our robot. Okay, here I have the T30 Combo ECOVACS. I'm going to put 2 capfuls inside. Or you can take this and just kind of give it 2 dabs. There. And then that's the clean water tank. That's the proper ratio, and you're ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.